Hello, everyone. Welcome to the News Browse News broadcast. According to a report by GG Press, U.S. Steel, which was acquired by Japan's Nippon Steel in 2025, announced on June 8, 2026, that Nippon Steel plans to invest up to $2.5 billion, approximately 400 billion yen, in its Mon Valley Works in Pennsylvania over the next 3 years. This expanded investment is more than double the original pre-acquisition plan of over $1 billion. According to U.S. Steel, the investment will fund the construction of a new hot strip mill to replace existing equipment that has been operational for about 90 years. The upgrade is expected to enhance production capabilities for high-value-added steel products, such as those used in the automotive industry. According to a report by UPI, the Japanese government under Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi is moving forward with discussions to revise Japan's 3 core national security documents: the National Security Strategy, the National Defense Strategy, and the Defense Build-Up Program. The review aims to reshape the nation's diplomacy and military posture for the next decade. Key issues under discussion include raising defense spending to 2% of GDP by fiscal 2025 and potentially higher under U.S. influence, questioning the realism of Japan's 3 non-nuclear principles, and expanding the procurement and integration of artificial intelligence and low-cost drones in warfare. Additionally, the government is exploring the domestic defense supply chain, the feasibility of deploying nuclear-powered submarines, and strategies regarding relations with the United States and the strategic challenge posed by China. Economic security is also expected to be treated as a separate critical pillar to ensure supply chain autonomy with allies. The Takaichi administration aims to finalize and complete the revisions by the end of the year. According to a report by Phoenix New Media, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and Chief Scientist Jakub Pachaki announced in a joint blog post that the company has officially entered its 3rd phase of development. Following the initial phases of AGI research and global product launches, the 3rd stage focuses on making advanced artificial intelligence ubiquitous, affordable, safe, and easy to use. OpenAI outlined 3 core goals for this phase: developing automated AI researchers, accelerating economic growth, and providing a personal AGI for everyone worldwide. Altman and Pachaki emphasized that powerful intelligence systems must remain aligned with human intent and stay under human control, rather than pursuing a fully automated future. Additionally, they called for international collaboration and the establishment of a global agency to manage AI risks. Coinciding with this announcement, OpenAI revealed that it has secretly submitted an application for its initial public offering, IPO, though the actual listing may take some time. This call for cautious progression aligns with recent sentiments from competitor Anthropic, whose researchers also suggested that global labs might need the option to temporarily pause frontier model development to ensure safety. According to a report by UPI, Japanese telecommunications giant NTT is planning to establish a massive investment fund focused on next-generation artificial intelligence infrastructure. Partnering with South Korea's SK Group, Taiwan's Chunhua Telecom, and the Development Bank of Japan, NTT intends to launch the IOAI Fund with assets exceeding 70 billion yen, or approximately $440 million. Several other prominent Japanese companies, including Sony Group, Toshiba, Fujitsu, and major financial institutions, have also expressed interest in the initiative. The fund is designed to accelerate the global commercialization of NTT's innovative optical and wireless network IO1SHOD platform. It will primarily target startups in North America, Asia, and Europe that specialize in photonics electronics convergence, AI semiconductors, and advanced AI computing models. As generative AI models rapidly increase the energy demands of global data centers, technologies like IO-NG1DU, which utilize light instead of electricity to transmit data inside chips and networks, have garnered intense global interest. This collaborative venture represents a major strategic step, combining Japan's communications technology, South Korea's semiconductor expertise, and Taiwan's robust network infrastructure to challenge dominant tech players in the AI sector. The United States has barred entry to a Somali soccer referee slated to officiate at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, citing vetting concerns, CBS News reports. Customs and Border Protection Tense Molimari, CBP, confirmed that Omar Abdul Qadir Arden was deemed inadmissible after arriving at Miami International Airport on a flight from Istanbul. A FIFA spokesperson confirmed that Arden will be unable to participate in the tournament, noting that host governments ultimately determine entry visas and that his status will not be changed at present. While Somalia is subject to near-total restrictions under a U.S. travel ban, exceptions exist for World Cup personnel, though CBP maintains case-by-case discretion. Arden, named Africa's Male Referee of the Year by the Confederation of African Football, has received strong support from Somalia's Ministry of Youth and Sports, which condemned the decision. The incident has heightened concerns about the impact of tight immigration policies on the tournament, which begins this week across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. Other officials, including members of the Iranian delegation, have also faced visa challenges amid heightened national security screenings. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.